Alright YouTube, back with another video. This video is going to be a pretty quick one. Just basically showing you how to put on your serpentine belt on your 4.6 liter Mustang. So first and foremost, need a 1/2 inch ratchet. That's really all you need. And then your belt. So the tensioner is right here. You're basically going to insert this into that little hole right there. I don't want to fit in right now, down here. Just like that. And you're going to use that basically as a leverage to, what you're going to do is you're going to push this downwards whenever we're ready to do it. So first and foremost, let's get this off. And what we're going to do is you're going to get your serpentine belt, which is right here. You're going to basically squeeze it together, and you're going to feed it in between this right here, and we're going to go ahead and put it on the AC compressor first. I have a dummy pulley, so yours is not going to be the same as mine, but you know, same concept. So let me do that real quick. So basically right now, this is kind of the position you're at. You basically wrap it around the compressor. Second step now would be, you're gonna go ahead and pull this down here. You're gonna pull this down here on the tensioner, and you're gonna wrap this onto the crankshaft pulley. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And after that, you can see it's kind of wrapped around here. It's up there. Now the next step would be, you're going to go ahead and grab this side of it, and you're going to go ahead and wrap it around here and around the water pump, and you're going to use the back side of this thing to basically what do you call this, the back side of this, so not the rib part, the smooth part of it onto the water pump. And then you're going to go ahead and put this onto the power steering pump. So basically you're doing the alternator belt last, because usually that's the easiest way to do it. So you're going to go ahead and wrap that again, the power steering pump. And then all you got to do is lift this up, and basically you're there. All you got to do now is, again, put the tensioner here, push it down, and then lift this belt to the alternator pulley, and then you're basically done. But let me do it right now. Alright, so basically there it is. All you gotta do is make sure all the pulleys are, the belt is seated on all the pulleys correctly, but that's how it should look. Other than that, give it a start, make sure everything is running, no noises or nothing like that. But there you go. I think 96 to 04 should be the same thing, 4.6, 2 valve. So here it is. Go ahead and give it a try. Again, my pulley would be a little different from yours because I have aftermarket pulleys. So yeah, there you go. So next time, YouTube.